Hello and welcome back to my channel. Gigi here. I'm going to do a quick review of the Infilila set that I received. Really nice. It comes with a little card and a thank you and reasons to choose Infilila. So I received this box. This is a 60, 120, 180 grit file. Nice. This box actually is, I believe, made for removing gel polish, but I got it because I have a problem with polish staying on my toenails. So yeah, that's why I got this one. I'm going to try that. So the next file is another one. This is a small one. I like that it's nice and thick, and then the edges here are pretty smooth. So less chance of you cutting your cuticle area when you file with these. Came with 200 of these. Well, let's take one out. Sorry for the noise. We're going to take one out of the package here. And there we go. Okay, so I have a couple of them. So what you would do is you would put your acetone on here. If this is not thick enough for you, you can always add another small piece of cotton to that and put your acetone on it and then put it on your nail and then wrap it around and close it up. So what that does is that keeps the air in and then the heat from your nail, so that you can like if you have gel, it will allow it to come off a lot quicker because everything is contained in here, and your acetone won't dry up as much or as quickly. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So I got 200 of those, and let's move this because we got some little tools. Comes in a nice plastic case. Let me get these out of the way here so I can open this up. Oh, I like this case. It's nice and sturdy. It's a hard plastic. Okay, and we open it right here, looks like. Well, okay. You see me using my nails to do this. Don't use your nails. Just saying. I'm having a hard time getting this open. Oh, well, let's get a tool, shall we? I'll get one of my other tools here and just open this. First I thought it had tape on it, but it doesn't. Oh, nice. So there's a pusher. And I like that it has the, you can grip these a lot easier than it being smooth here. And then this one for cleaning under your nails. And the other one, I'm not sure how often I would use this, but you could use it also to push back your cuticles. So I've seen a lot of people use these. So I can't wait to try this. So far I'm liking what I've seen, and I do like this case. Nice. All right, so I will try these and probably get back to you and let you know how everything worked. Can't wait to try them. All right, just like I said, it was a quick view. I got these off of Amazon. It's Infilila. So if you just do a search for Infilila, let's put their name back up here again so you can see it. It's Infilila. So if you go into Amazon and do a search, they have a lot of nice tools on there. So this whole package was $9.99, which I thought was a pretty good deal. Anyway, thank you so very much for watching. As always, be kind and be creative.